I'll be showing you the top Etsy integration apps available on the Shopify App Store. For each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at their features, pricing, and reviews so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. So the first app we're taking a look at is called Etsy Integration and Sync, and it's going to give you quite a few different features here. From easy and simple bulk uploads to Etsy, you can apply Etsy settings while uploading products. You get real-time order, inventory, and product syncing. You get both-way inventory syncing as well as quite a few more features. It just takes 5 minutes to set up this connection. And they also have 24/7 live chat support. They make it easy in the sense that you can export products both ways from Shopify to Etsy and from Etsy to Shopify. You can also automate order management and fulfillment of Etsy orders. You can also avoid overselling by syncing your inventory across a shared SKU. And if there are any issues, it's going to give you prompt error reporting to help you identify issues quickly while uploading or syncing. You can also check everything on mobile with their easy-to-use dashboard. In terms of pricing, it has a 7-day free trial, and there is a free-to-install plan, and Etsy is going to charge 20 cents per listing, but you can publish 15 products on Etsy and manage 10 orders. As you move up in price, it's going to increase the number of products and monthly orders, going from 250 products to 50,000 products, as well as from 125 to 5,000 orders monthly. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with over 400 5-star reviews. According to the AI summary, merchants highly recommend this app for its seamless integration and syncing between Shopify and Etsy, especially for handling high volumes of orders and products. They appreciate the inventory syncing feature for its eliminating of duplicate work and ensuring accurate product availability. The next app we're taking a look at is at the Etsy integration by QuickSync. So you can sync your products and orders with 100% confidence. It also makes it really easy to fulfill your orders with just one click here. And it's going to use Kubernetes to give you lightning performance. And the app is going to support up to 30,000 products. Makes it easy to streamline your inventory by automatically syncing both your products as well as your inventory. And you can import and export products with images, SKUs, barcodes, prices, categories, and variants. In terms of pricing, there is a 30-day free trial. It's going to start at $19 per month for up to 10,000 products. And at $29 a month, it's going to sync your inventory, products, and orders, and it's for up to 30,000 products. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 1.2 thousand 5-star reviews. And according to the AI summary, merchants highly recommend this app for its seamless syncing capabilities, particularly beneficial for those with multiple stores. And the intuitive design and reliable performance are praised, along with the ability to sync product listings, inventory, orders, which some merchants describe as a game changer. Next, we have the Seed Commerce Etsy integration that's going to give you bulk listings, product updates with real-time inventory and order syncing. So it makes it super easy for you to check your product and sales analytics, group your products, and then send them to Etsy easily. It's going to give you a detailed overview of everything that's going on, and it makes it really easy to import new products from Shopify to the app. And it's going to help with things such as avoiding Etsy item duplicates, and it's going to give you product segmentation based on category, attributes, and shipping details. In terms of pricing, there is a free to install plan for up to 10 products and up to 10 orders. And it's going to go up in price depending on the number of orders and the number of products. And to note as well, Etsy is going to charge 20 cents per listing. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with 1.6 thousand 5-star reviews. Merchants appreciate this app for its seamless integration between Shopify and Etsy, enabling bulk product uploading, automatic inventory and price synchronization, as well as error notifications. Our fourth app here is called Shuttle, allowing you to sync with Etsy, giving you seamless real-time or on-demand sync of stock levels, products, orders, and reviews. And you can transfer or update all a batch or specific products between your Etsy and Shopify stores. And there's a two-way real-time inventory syncing with clear and detailed history. It's also going to allow you to display your great Etsy reviews in Shopify with auto product assignment. In terms of pricing, there's a 30-day free trial starting at $5 a month, and the plans go up to $29 a month. And it's going to depend on the exact features you're looking for, such as review exports, how many product transfers and order transfers you're also looking for, and if you want those to be automated, and if you're looking for real-time stock syncing. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.5 stars with 168 5-star reviews, and they're praised for their user-friendly interface, seamless integration, and reliable performance. The app's key feature is its synchronization of inventory and order management, as well as minimizing manual updates and the overselling risk. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. And that's where Profit Calc comes in. It's a sponsor of today's video, and it's a one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations so you can see how much money your store has actually made. It's going to include a ton of different metrics and analytics and details so you can start making smarter business decisions. It's also going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok. It has many cost of goods sold syncing options, and it's just going to gather everything in one place. It's going to save you from having to use spreadsheets. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. All you have to do is head to the Shopify App Store and search Profit Calc and look for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below to bring you to that app page directly. So a super cool app, so make sure you check that out there. The fifth and final app here is called Etsy Syncs by Lab, and it's going to make it super easy to easily manage different prices on Shopify and Etsy. You get real-time sync in just 2 to 5 minutes, unless you're going to sync the orders to Etsy with or without tracking codes, and there's no limits on the orders or products. In terms of the overall work view, it's going to be importing your products. You're going to get automatic management, orders import, shipping management, and automatic warehouse management. It's super easy to set up, and it's going to have just a flat plan here at $9.99 a month with a 30-day free trial. And there's going to be no limits on orders or products, and it makes it super easy to export products, import orders, and have a product data sync. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 42 5-star reviews. And according to this latest review here, they've been using this Etsy Sync app for some time now, and it's reliable and works without any problems. It makes it super easy to export all of their products to Etsy, which helped bring them quite a few sales during their Christmas season. This is going to conclude the video on the top Etsy integration apps for your Shopify store. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.